friends, again welcome one more time to my Sahilthebestsuperhero channel. This is the final third part of my videos BYJUSlearning kit. This is the outer plastic. This is the back of the BYJUS. And this is the box which have given for BYJUS, which have includes tab. Remove it carefully, and this is the inner plastic. One more cutter. So this is the BYJUS learning box. Hey, it's magic. It's tie. Okay, no problem. This is the box. In my second part, I will open it and see you first page. Let's open again. I will see you this like structure. In my part 2, I have a backward also colored. So let's see how is it. What is this? Why this is? This picture is come out from this. See. Have 4 parts with content. See this. These were out of the box. Means, see this. These were as the book. We can carry it. See, we have also written the BYJUS, and then you learn the best when you start asking questions, not to teachers, not to parents, but yourself. This is. In any video, not show these 2 pages and this. So this is the one more logo of BYJUS and mentor helpline number. Again, intelligence, curiosity, asking questions, come fall in love with learning. It's the main motive of BYJUS Learning App. So I will reconnect this in 4 corners. So it will connect it. So let's see second page. Your curiosity, na? I have also. Let's see. Wow! I won't believe it. Wow! This is the poster of courses support BYJUS, and this is the app in the tab included BYJUS Premium. Let's see the second page. Wow, it's very beautiful. Hey, it's the wrong. These have included the pouch like square type, and they have a memory. In other videos of unboxing kit I will see, but there I have get the cookie cake. So no problem. I think in the BYJUS it have tab. This is the proud BYJUS, the badge, and have BYJUS logo, 3 stars. And it have a pin. It's a simple pin to wear it. It will get from BYJUS. And they have one more. O means oxygen. MG magnesium. I am a genius. OMG, I am a genius from BYJUS 8/12. Like this. It's have also included the pin. So this. And the sticker booklets. I don't know why BYJUS given us for kids fun. See the teachers of BYJUS. In this booklet, the cartoon type teachers of BYJUS. See, this is the main teacher BYJUS, which is the founder of BYJUStheLearningApp. And their subjects where they teach some pictures. He is the Anand sir. He is Aswin sir. He is Divya madam. He is Vinessa. She is Anita madam, and he is Avinash. So this is the booklet you see of BYJUS. One more, it has the installation of instruction tablet. It have instructions of tablets. Let's see. Okay, this see like this pouch I will get. Many have get this like pouch, but I have got the cookie cake. No matters. And this is the tab photos and some instructions here given. And this is the memory card inserting. See this. See this. Profile page. And one more Mentos number is like this. So this is the constellation and sticker booklet. So I will get more 5 minutes to see your next. So I will have a surprise for you. This is the final video, but its second page I will see you in one surprise next video. So sorry, it's have taken more time of you of 7:30 minutes. So let's bye. And please subscribe and bell icon press to my next video, surprise video for you. It have seen the tablet. So bye, like, share and subscribe to my video and my channel. Thank you for watching video.